Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how can I add stickers on WhatsApp. It is so simple and so quick process. Firstly, go to your Play Store and what you need to type on it, you need just to type for sticker.ly and you need to choose that site which is for WhatsApp. Now you need just to install it and then you're gonna be able, as you see here on photos, to create whatever you want sticker in which position you want. You have a lot of options. You can cut out, you have manual, you have cropping sides, many of it, and then you're gonna just download it and it will automatically be added on your WhatsApp. It will be automatically added to your WhatsApp simply because this application is created just for WhatsApp. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.